Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Breville Blend Active blender. Just blend and go. One touch control, removable blades, and it crushes ice, which is brilliant. So out of the box we have the blender itself with a pretty short wire, but I suppose that doesn't matter if you're using it on a kitchen worktop. You have plenty of sockets usually. We have two lids for the two bottles. We have the blade itself, which can be washed, and we have some instructions. Now, these bottles go up to 600 mils, I believe. The slight issue for me is that they start at 200, the measurements start at 200, then it jumps to 4 and then to 6, and ideally I like 2, 3, 4, 5, but I suppose something we'll just have to deal with. So yeah, it's a bit of a downfall for me. I don't like that, but there we go. Maybe I could get a pen and mark it myself. Right, so yeah, protein powder, and I'm going to put some frozen berries in there, some of fruits. The protein powder is already flavoured banana, but I like to add the fruits for extra vitamins and stuff, antioxidants and all that game. So that's what we're going to do next. Now this particular protein powder is 2 scoops to 250 mils of water, and this is where the problem is, because I've had to guess where 250 mils would be. We've got the shake in there, put a few berries in there, the size of that. That was a big strawberry. Some blackberries in there, red currants, blueberries. And then we just put the blade. And be careful with this because these are very, very sharp. Just tighten that on there. Plug it in. And then we place it. There's actually a little instruction that shows you which way to lock it and unlock it. So we put it on and turn it clockwise to lock it. Then just push the button, just get it in full view. Push the button. That should easily be mixed up now. We're going to turn it anti-clockwise to take it off. Take the blade off the top, like this. We can see that. Lovely. Let me just take our lid, and then we can take that with us wherever we want to go. It'll stay cool for a while because we use frozen berries. Yep. And it'll be very easy to clean, I should imagine. Just like cleaning anything else, any shaker bottle. Let me give it another going over. Sometimes, I've had a few of these blenders over the years, and sometimes you've got to shake them a bit as it's blending. Like, sometimes, if you just do that when you're doing it, it helps. That's really good. So yeah, just a quick demonstration for you. I didn't want to make a massively long video. Read the instructions, for help on how to clean it, etc, etc. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.